From what can only be described as a feast for my eyes, I'm now calling in on what I think will be a feast for a few of my other senses. But mostly I'm thinking a feast for my sense of smell. Claire, I've got to say, this is one of the best smelling spots that I've ever done an interview. Talk to me about how you got into growing lavender.
Well, it came about because we experienced a very bad drought back in 2008, 2009 on our farm. So we really had to think about how we were going to continue farming for the next generation.
Yeah.
One of those things that kept popping up in my research was lavender. So we planted 10,000 plants to start with, and I'm happy to say that those plants, 10 years down the track, are still producing for us.
And have you found that the lavender has sort of health benefits as well?
Yes, it's very, very popular to help people with sleep and relaxation. That's probably one of the more prominent reasons that people buy it, other than it smells nice.
Yeah.
But what we've tried to do is take it on a different angle and actually go more down the culinary. So
all sorts of foods?
Absolutely.
What sort of foods are we talking
lavender
here?
cheesecake is a favourite.
Oh.
Coffee, so you can get a lavender
coffee.
latte.
Oh my gosh.
We make lavender ice creams. This is our Lavender Indulgence, so it's all things lavender. Shortbread, nougat, coconut ice, 3 different types of lavender ice cream and lavender chocolate. And lavender milkshake, yeah.
Milkshake. Oh, well, thank you so much.
Enjoy.
I'm going to sit here and enjoy this.